everyone, I am Ivy, and I thought Google Omni was crazy, and you should definitely try it. Google just dropped the most powerful free AI video model ever, and it's called Gemini Omni Flash. You can change any video backgrounds, remove objects from your video, add element in your existing clips, and also you can add VFX in your clips, just by typing what you want. Your boring clip goes Hollywood in seconds, and it's completely free. So in this video, I'll show you how to master Omni Flash and also show you how to build your own AI avatar that looks and sounds exactly like you. So let's get into it. To use Google Gemini, first head over to gemini.google.com. I'll drop the link in the description below. Once you're there, tap the plus button to get started. From here, you can create images and generate videos. Pretty wild, right? Tap on Create Video and you'll see a bunch of ready-made templates just waiting for you. Pick whichever one you like and you're already halfway there. You can also tap to choose your aspect ratio, then paste in your prompt right there. After that, hit the plus button again. That's where you can convert any image into a video or even create your own AI avatar. I'll show you how that works toward the end, so stick around. So I uploaded my photo, hit send, and within minutes, boom, the AI generated the final result automatically. Fast, simple, and honestly kind of mind-blowing. Hi everyone, I am Ivy, and I thought Google Omni was crazy. Now to download your video, just tap right there and it'll save straight to your device. And guys, this is where Google Gemini gets really crazy. I typed in change clothes to yellow hoodie. That's it. And it took the same video, modified it, and gave me a brand new output in just a few minutes. I mean, come on. That's insane.
Hi everyone, I am Ivy, and I thought Google Omni was crazy.
All right, now let me show you how to set up your AI avatar. Tap the plus button, then tap More Uploads, and click on Avatar. You'll see a new interface pop up. Just tap where it says Try Now, and then scan the QR code with your smartphone. Once you scan it, a simple interface shows up. It just needs to recognize your face from the left and right side. That's literally it. Your AI avatar is ready to go. Now, on the Google Gemini website, you can only generate about 2 to 3 videos. So if you need more, there's a great alternative, Google Flow. Head over to that website, and again, the link is in the description. Click on New Project and you'll see a clean interface. Just click on the video model and select Omni Flash. Keep in mind, this will use your 15 to 20 credits. From there, you can customize everything. The aspect ratio, video duration, and even how many videos you want to generate at once. Just paste in your prompt, tap the plus button to choose an avatar or upload your own image, and hit send. In just a few minutes, your first AI video will be ready. And honestly, the results look absolutely insane. Here's what the final video looks like.
Hey everyone, I'm finally here. Manhattan during golden hour is just unreal. I can't wait to show you around. Let's go explore.
To download, just tap on the video and save it to your device. Now, if you want to make a product ad or some kind of creative video, here's what you do. I uploaded a photo of my bag along with a background image, then pasted in my prompt. I selected my preferences, went with a 9:16 aspect ratio, and set it to generate 2 video outputs. This uses about 30 credits. Hit send, and just like that, your output is ready. Hope you're loving this video, and all the useful prompt and Google Omni tool links are down in the description, so make sure you grab those. And if you want to see more AI videos, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to use unlimited AI video generator for free and without watermark, then tap on this video.